Here I have Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So to do this, firstly open settings, then go to the system section, then to the reset, go to the apps and notifications, then go to the default apps, not all apps, tap here, and select reset app preferences. And then confirm it by tapping reset. And after that, all of the apps settings will be reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.